Anwar found a camera. One day Mushtaq want to see his friend Anwar.
Mushtaq want to see his friend Anwar. When Mushtaq knocked the door, Anwar's younger brother told him that Anwar was not at home. He had gone to a nearby shop to have his bicycle repaired. Mushtaq met Anwar at the shop. "Hello Anwar, how are you?" said Mushtaq. "I am fine," said Anwar. "Aren't we going to the park?" said Mushtaq. "Oh, yes, let's move to the park," said Anwar. They were walking in the park. Suddenly, Anwar's eyes fell on a thing near a tree. When they came closer to the thing, they found that it was a camera. They picked up the camera and started to take the photographs. "I think we should take this camera to a police officer," said Anwar. Mushtaq agreed. "It is the right thing to do," said Mushtaq. They handed over the camera to the police officer. Mushtaq said to the police officer, "We took a look at photo. Can we keep them, please?" The police officer and then said, "Yes, I I'll have the film developed. You can have the photo you are taken surface. The other photograph will help us find the owner. Come back to afternoon." In the afternoon, they reached the police station. The police station smiled at the boys. "Well done, younger. You helped us in having a chief arrested." He explained that a tourist was visiting the fort when he saw a person with a strange face hiding behind the bushes who was actually a thief. The tourist took photo of the person with his camera. The thief saw him and snatched the camera and ran away. He must have hidden the camera in the grass around the tree. When we had the film developed, we had the picture of the thief, and now he is behind the bars. Young boys, you are honest and you have done a great job, said the police officer. He gave Anwar a box. He opened it. "Wow," he said. Thanks very much." Inside the box was a newer camera painting which Anwar and Mushtaq were delighted.